Hi guys, sometimes you want to have your signature in a Excel sheet that you could print as a PDF or something, so you can send it into your manager or whatever. And today we're going to look at how to do this. So let's start by removing what we have and start over. I have scanned a picture of my signature and it looks like that. So what I do now is I mark the data or mark the picture, and I go to picture format and I choose remove background. Then Excel will try to remove everything it needs and just keep what I would like to have. And if I test if it works fine, no, it did not. It was just the end of it. So sometimes you have to help Excel a bit, and I'll do that right now. And that I'll take mark areas to keep. Then I'll just click in those things a little bit down there. And then of course here, that one, and a little dot over the eye. Now it looks quite fine. So we'll test again. Yeah, looks much better. And I could just make it smaller, take it like that. And then maybe it's a little upwards. So I'll do it a little bit fine tuning like that. Take it down a little bit less like that. And now I think this looks quite good. Now I have a signature. So quite nice way. Just import a picture with your signature, remove stuff that is not a signature, and add it where you want it. Pretty fast. If you like this video, please